Hello student, today I am going to teach you class 6 subject computer chapter 3. In last class we have learned half chapter. In today class we will continue with the chapter. So the next topic was after find and replace was mail merge. Mail merge feature is used to send the same letter to a large number of people at the same time by doing modification. The mail merge facility is widely used when letters with identical information have to be sent to many people in schools, colleges, office, etc. For mail merge process, we need two documents. That is, first one is main document and second one is data source. This document contains text or a letter. In data source, the file that contain names and address, that is data of recipients. Mail merge process involve the following basic steps. Creating a main document. Second, creating a data source. Third, merging the main document and data source. To perform mail merge, follow the given steps. These are the following steps to make a mail merge. The first step is to select document type. Here you have to select which type of document you want it. So first point in select document type is first point, open a new document in MS Word and click the mailing tab. Second, click the start mail merge and drop down menu appears. Third, click step by step mail merge wizard. Third, fourth, the mail merge task pane will open on the right side of the screen. It shows step 1 to 6 at the bottom of pane. You can select the type of document you want to create, like letter, email, messages, labels, etc. Fifth step, click the letters from the selected document types. Sixth, click the next starting document at the bottom of pane. Here, you have to select the document type which you want to. Here, you have to select the step-by-step mail merge wizard. After, you can see here at the left side, right side, that is mail merge menu which coming. That is which type of document you want. That is letter you want, mail messages you want, envelopes want, labels or directories. In this, we will study about letters. The letter will be selected. After selecting letter, the next step will be starting document. That is step 1 to 6. So we have done with one step. The second step will be select starting document. In this step, first select starting document as shown in figure 3.30. That is here. First, click the use of current document. Second, click the next, select recipient. You will move to the next step. Step 3, select recipients. The recipients can either select it from an existing list or you can create a new list. To create a new list, follow the given step. Click the type your new list. Second, click the create. The new address list dialog box appear. Here is the mail merge recipient steps where you have to select which type, use the current document or start with the new. If you are selecting with the new, then you will select a create a new address list. The next step is third step. This is the mail merge where the selecting the recipient. If you are selecting the type of new list, then creating, then new address will be coming here. This you have to customize also. The third step, if you want to change or delete the columns, click the customize column in the new address list dialog box. The customize address list dialog box open. Here, if you want to add something new, then you have to select this customize column. After customizing column, you can add from this customized list which you want to include. You can add or delete from the customized list. The first step is, if you want to delete any field, then select field from the field names box and click the delete. A message of the confirmation will appear. Click the yes to delete the field. Otherwise, click no. The selected field will get deleted. If you want to delete something from this menu, this customized address list, you have to select delete, and this option will be appear in front of there. Then if you don't want, then click yes. If you want to let it be, then no. The fifth one, similarly, to add a new field, select the entry after which you want to add a new field and click the add button. The add field dialog box open. Here in this box, if you want to add something, then you have to click in this button, that is add button. Then this menu will be appeared. In this add field, if you want to add a mobile number, you can add a mobile number, and this add number will be appear here in this list. The sixth step, type the field name and click OK. You will see the field interested in the box. Click OK button. The new address list dialog box is ready with all the field you want. Type all entries and click the OK button. Here the recipient is ready. Here the new address dialog box is ready from the recipient by selecting the recipients. So the next step is the save address list dialog box opens. Type the name of file in the file name box and click the save button. You have to click this address button by clicking file name box in save and save it in the name of recipients. After saving, the mail merge recipient dialog box open. Here you can edit, sort, filter, etc. the detail of recipient. Click OK. Now click the next, write your letter in mail merge text menu. Here after saving this, the mail merge will be step ahead, that is next step will be coming, that is write your letter. Write the letters in the active window and leave space where you want to add recipients information. Here you will see that address the block. Here click address block. Here will be the address block. You will select the address box and the address will be appear here. The next step, click the location in the letter where you want to insert recipient information. Third, click the address block. The insert address block dialog box appear. Fourth, select the address elements you want to include and click the OK. Where you want to click the address button, then you have to click the cursor. The address block will be appear. This is the interest address block dialog box is a picture. This step, that the address block will be inserted in the letter. Now place your cursor in the document where you want to insert greeting line and click the greeting line button. Choose a greeting line style and click OK. After selecting the address block, you have to select the greeting line. Where you want to place the cursor where you want to insert the greeting line and choose the style which line you want it, and there the greeting line will be appear. The next step is now click the next, preview your letter. Here you will see the preview of your letter. that is address block and greeting line also appear in this. The next step will be preview your letter. Here you can preview the letter one after another by clicking left side or right side icon in the mail merge task panel. Here you will see the address. You will see your preview of a letter. This address will be changed as per the recipient data, and you will see the letter and address will be changing by clicking left or right. The final step in a preview letter is next complete. Final click the next complete the merge. After doing this step, the final step is complete the merge. First, in this step, you can take printout or edit the merge letters. When the data source and letter get merged in a document, it is called merge document. It is the final document in the mail merge process. Second step, to print a letter, click the print option, or to edit individual letter, click the edit individual letters. Third, merge to a new document dialog box open as shown in figure 3.6. Select all under merge record and click OK. Fourth, all the merged letter will be opened in MS Word in a single document. Fifth, click the file save as to save the file. Here you can see merge a new document with by recipients by clicking all, a current record or a from to from. By selecting all, you can save on a MS Word by file save as to save the file name, and you can rename this file. So student, as I have completed this chapter, if you have any doubt, do a comment on a Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.